What are eye creams, why you should start using them, and how to find the best type of eye cream that works. We'll discuss this in today's video. Believe it or not, your lifestyle takes a toll on your eyes. Eating and sleeping habits along with the growing age leaves a visible impact on the soft tissues that guard your eyes from the outside. These tissues don't have any fat glands, which make them the most sensitive organ in the human body. Every day your eyes are exposed to dust, smoke, and other irritants that have harmful effects. Fine lines, wrinkles, mottled pigment are some of the symptoms of skin damage around the eyes. Other aspects like skin color and skin tone also get affected. Eye creams have formulations that deal with these issues. With the prescribed use of these creams, your eyes will look young again. Let's have a look at some of the advantages of using eye creams. If you're using the right eye cream, it becomes very effective. It also absorbs quickly, it has safe ingredients, and it's reasonably priced. It also needs to contain a wrinkle reducer ingredient, and it needs to match the pH level of your tears. So an eye cream basically protects the delicate folds of your eyes from dehydration by supplying essential moisture to the thin walls and the layers of the tissue that are often neglected. In order to protect your skin from withering and aging permanently, vitamin A, vitamin D also are used within the formulations of eye cream. Also, you may find that caffeine is incorporated in eye cream and vitamin C as well. So this is because of the upper damaged layers of tissue that your eyes give tired and aged look. So an eye cream that contains acids can clean up and remove these dead layers, revealing fresh younger skin from beneath. Remember that prolonged exposure to sun can actually cause maximum damage to the eyes. Absorbing sunlight may be healthy for other parts of the body, but not for the delicate skin around your eyes. The importance here is to protect your eyes from harmful rays of the sun. Use sunglasses when exposed to the sun. Remember, the eyes are the most beautiful and sensitive part of the human anatomy. A thin and fine line makes a difference in times when being young and youthful is important. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy today's video and the content presented, please like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next video. Take care and have a great, amazing day. Bye bye.